from?
I like it, man.
This,
Wow,
oh my
12
god,
already.
it's together.
It's 12 already. Wow. Wow, so pretty on this side. Wow.
Well, look around the city.
Shit, wow, look at that. Whoa.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a good view here. Amazing.
Yeah.
It's a good view, they're not really close. Wow. Down there too.
Well, the whole city, whoa.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Not like America, Erica. England's more cooler than this.
Wow. I guess.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, what do I look? I don't know.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Wow.
Gryffindor.
Wow.
Slytherin.
Wow. Wow. So pretty.
Well, I just hope it didn't burn the hotel out.
Oh, it's 12. It's very pretty.
Honey, this is, oh my God, everywhere, you know?
It's in the middle of our hotel room.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Wow.
Well, look at over here.
That. Oh, so beautiful.
I like this. Yeah.
Oh,
It's like
oh my
a
God. So pretty.
It's like a water.
Yeah.
Fire.
I'm surprised they let that go right here in the middle of the city. Yeah, I think there'd be a fire. Whoa.
Yeah, no, look at Ken Switch.
Where is it over there, I wonder?
Where?
Right there, from where, I wonder?
That's just down the street. That's
The concert?
it's by that gas station.
This Ken toy is very cool. Like his toys. Okay, my
From gas station?
Yeah, by Esso station.
Oh, it's that close?
Yeah, isn't that great? We could really have some fireworks if that gate station goes up in flame.
Wow. Oh!
Gryffindor is the
Oh! Oh my God. Oh! Oh!
Well, I can feel it against the window when it blows up.
Oh, you can feel the heat out there.
Wow.
Oh.
Serious business.
Wow. I mean, small city, they allow this, huh? I guess I do it every year, nothing.
Not to say yeah.
Yeah, only a few buildings a year go up.
Just watch.
But it's smoky out there too, isn't it?
Yeah, it's smoky, of course.
Woo! Another.
Wow, it's amazing. 12
Well,
already.
happy 2011, guys.
Oh.
2011 now, we got you guys.
2011, Monique, you're 8 years old. AK, you're 6 years old.
8 ครึ่งเหรอ
That
Yeah,
coon.
I'm 8 years old. ครึ่ง you're 6 and a half. I'm 8 and a half.
October.
Look at all the people in the street down there. Hatyai 2011.
Yes. เข้าไปกรุงเทพ
Kumtep.
เราอยู่ที่หัดใหญ่ Whoa! Oh! Look at that.
I've never seen.
Wow.
Let's see this first. I saw something
I wonder if
fall.
Linda can you see it in Krabi or not? This.
Krabi is gonna be like this.
Yeah. Oh.
I mean, we're in a Chinese town, man.
Yeah.
They do it up right.
No, look at that. I mean,
Chinese know how to fire
Yeah.
firecrackers.
yeah, fine.
They like it.
Journey's not scared. Only a falang scare.
Yeah, only the Falang
Falang.
scared.
It's a lot of rich Thai in Hat Yai, you know that?
Yeah,
I mean Hat Yai, a lot of rich Thai. I mean Chinese Thai, you know?
a lot of people down there.
Yeah.
More Thai people now.
A concert. Oh, look at the garden over here. Oh.
Yeah, why not? Let's light those things up right next to the hotel.
Yeah, the garden.
Where's those fire
Right at
exit?
McDonald's.
The fire exits are real close by. Oh yeah.
Puff for puff. What?
Right there, McDonald's down there.
McDonald's.
Yeah, I think it's on fire, right?
No, I don't say that. I don't think so. Hopefully.
I wouldn't see it or make
Look
or
at the smoke out there.
I love the blue.
Isn't that pretty?
yeah. I like Hatyai. So beautiful.
You like Hatyai?
Yeah.
Aw, That's great, guys.
Yeah, I like.
That's my mom.
Well, I think that it's kind of coming to a close, I would assume. But who knows?
This is Christmas Day, Daddy.
No, it's
Everybody,
not,
I
it's
know
not Christmas, honey. It's called
It's
New
a
Year's.
New Year's.
Yeah, it's New Year.
New Year's.
I like New Year because it's getting like this. I like Christmas.
Man, it's a smoky sucker out there, man.
Yeah, I like New Year. And
Let's just light those flames.
that means Tanwa.
Burn those houses
it's not
down.
like
Yeah.
New Year.
Look at
All
over
right.
there. Guys, look at that.
Wait, Halloween.
So
Burn
I mean the same thing, but skeleton was do boom, skeleton come out.
Wow,
as
so cool to see it. Wow.
It's very funny.
Yeah, it's just.
See, we're on the 19th floor, right?
No.
19th floor. What a view.
I want the Bangkok house. Are they doing this?
Oh, Bangkok has its thing going, sure.
Yeah.
You know, these windows actually cover a lot of sound. Otherwise, it'd be loud.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Two window, you cannot hear anything. Whoa! I just saw that with like green and yellow. Wait, green and red.
Oh.
Red.
I think it's coming to, it's petering down a bit. That was a good, what,
Oh, there's
10 minutes worth.
Yeah.
A good 10 minutes worth of fireworks.
Then what time is it? If it's
Well, it's got to be midnight or close to it.
Midnight already.
Otherwise, they wouldn't do that.
No. Midnight already.
It's 2011. It was 2010 when we came back to the hotel. Now it's 2011, Monique. Okay. Welcome to 2011. Do you know what that means? The year's changed. We're in a new year. Just like when you become 8, 9, 10, every year changes. Changes its number. Let's look at those people down there.
how about 2012?
Well, 2012, we hope will come.
Yeah.
We don't blow ourselves up in this world. We all hope that
How about
2012
in
comes.
Thai? 2,554 ใช่ไหม
ใช่แล้ว
54 ใช่
This 54
มี53แล้วค่ะ54แล้วค่ะ
53แล้ว
บายแล้ว
54เดี๋ยวนี้
ใช่แล้ว
and goodbye to
Goodbye.
Goodbye 53
2010 and 2053
That's right. Okay.
2,553 Goodbye.
Good night, everyone in YouTube land. This is Hatyai, Southern Thailand, signing off.